Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying available ports and the displays you have. That determines adapters and cables to buy or reuse. Once you know laptop HDMI, USB-C, or Thunderbolt, plug one monitor directly to confirm output. Make sure monitors are powered and set to the correct input. This avoids headaches later. If you need adapters, choose active ones for display port to HDMI at higher resolutions. Once done, keep cables untangled so you can safely move to the next step. You now connect each monitor one at a time and let the operating system detect them. This helps isolate connection issues. On Windows, open Display Settings and click Identify to map numbers to screens. On Mac OS, open Displays and Use Arrangement. Once detected, choose Extend to expand your workspace, set the primary display, and adjust resolution and scaling so text and UI elements match across monitors. Make sure refresh rates are consistent for smoother cursor movement. After that, you finish by arranging displays physically and in the display arrangement panel so the mouse flows naturally between them. Then fine-tune scaling and color profiles so windows don't jump between sizes. Make sure GPU drivers and firmware are up to date. That often fixes compatibility quirks. If a monitor isn't detected, disconnect and reconnect, swap ports, try another cable, or reboot. These quick checks solve most problems. If flicker or low resolution persists, use active adapters, higher-grade cables, or a powered dock to stabilize the signal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.